if you want to get the iOS launcher on the Motorola signature, first we're gonna go to the Play Store, and of course we need to search for a launcher that allows us to get the iPhone theme. So for example, we're gonna tap on search over here, then the search field at the top, and now we can simply search for iPhone launcher or iPhone theme or iOS launcher or anything like that. And of course you should be able to find a bunch of different launchers that more or less look and work in a very similar way that is close to the iPhone's iOS style. In my case, I'm going to use this app over here. I'm going to install it and I'm going to show you how to set it up. But in case you don't like this app, or if it doesn't work for you for some reason, then feel free to try anything else. I'm not really like sponsored by this app or anything like that. So feel free to try anything. So once we install the app and open it, we will have to grant some permissions. So over here, we don't have to agree to the location, but let's agree to the contacts and everything else. There we go. Now in here on this list, we're gonna tap on make a default launcher so that the app can actually be used for the home screen. So if you go back to the home screen, then this iOS launcher will be used instead of the standard launcher that we have on this phone. Of course, we have an ad in the meantime, but we should be able to skip it after a couple of seconds. So let's close it, then press OK. And over here, we need to switch from the Moto app launcher to the iOS launcher. You might see this warning message, but it appears all the time on every smartphone. And I think it doesn't really matter that much. And there we go, we have our iOS theme. As you can see, we have the app library and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.